Hello beautiful people. What if I told you that I made these delicious pancakes without flour, without sugar, and without milk? Yeah, you heard me. And this came out so delicious. I made this with oats, banana, and some eggs. Just 3 ingredients and you are good to go. And this is a very healthy breakfast and so delicious. Let's get started. If your goal is to lose weight or stay fit, then this recipe is absolutely for you because this meal is loaded with fiber and protein. Okay, I added a cup of oats and 2 eggs. So right now I will just mix this together and set aside. Okay, you can also blend this if you want to blend it. So after mixing it, I will set this aside. Now I will go over to the banana. I'm using 4 banana for this recipe. Okay, I will just go ahead and mix this together. If you don't want to go through this process, you can actually blend the oats, the banana and the eggs together. Okay, but I just prefer to make it this way. Ensure to mix this properly, just like so, like you are seeing here right now. Mix it until it turns smooth like this. Okay, now I'll add the banana and mix it thoroughly. Okay, I will go in with salt, some pepper. You can use dry pepper if you don't want to use fresh one. Then I'll go in with some chopped onions. Then I will mix this together. If today is your first time of coming across my video, I welcome you to Benini's Kitchen. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Okay, you can go over to my channel. I believe you will see other healthy recipes that you will also love. And remember to also share to your family and friends. So my returning subscribers, I say a big thank you. Thank you for always staying connected. May God continually bless you. Okay, so now I have scooped some into the pan. I added oil to the pan, a little oil. So I will allow one side to bake properly, then flip to the other side. I hope you are getting value from this video. This recipe is so nice and is so healthy. Like I said earlier, if your goal is to stay fit, stay healthy or lose weight, this recipe is for you. And this is very delicious. It's very delicious. In fact, I just tried my possible best to hold myself. Like, it's so delicious. Will I be making this recipe again? Yes, of course I will be making it again because it is healthy. And I'll also be sharing more ways you can enjoy your oats. Okay, just stay connected. this oats banana egg breakfast came out so delicious, and the amazing part is it is very healthy and is fully. I hope you got value watching this video. Please remember to like, comment and share this video. Subscribe if you haven't. Instead of rushing out on an empty stomach in the morning or eating junks, this is a quick breakfast for you. It will make you stay full for the rest of the day. I will see you in my next video. Bye.